Greetings everyone. So I hope you can understand it properly, and this is my first video ever. So follow me for more and let's get this started. So just a brief that I have been using iPhone since a long time. It's been around 5 years now, and to be honest, at that time I was thinking that this might be it, and I'm not gonna switch anytime soon, which I didn't. But now, as I see this beautiful phone on YouTube channels, I was like, I have to get this one. So here we are, Galaxy Z Flip 5. So here we go. Let's just put this aside. Okay. Oops, Apple, we need you to be aside over here. So this is usual packaging. This is the beautiful phone. I'm pretty sure this is well packed. I'm not sure why they just gave us the phone and not anything else that's useful. But let's see what's really inside. We have a wire. We have a SIM ejector, which we can eject our SIM. Okay, so this is the box, just in case you want to see. And these are the beautiful colors, but mine is gray, which is exclusive Samsung color. So there we go. We need some space here. Yeah, I made the right choice, to be honest. Well, oh my lord. So I've had a iPhone 11 Pro previously. So obviously my shift was really huge, but as you can see, honestly, it's really beautiful on hand. I'm not even exaggerating. It's quite impressive to see in person. So the YouTube videos, even though I'm making a YouTube video, they don't really justify. But this is your Samsung Z Flip 5. I really hope that you get this phone, to be honest. And let's turn on. Right, so it's turning on right now. Let's start. I'm going to show you the initial steps of starting this phone. By the way, before that, we should actually see how much it closes. Impressive. This is exactly why I switched from iPhone to Samsung, because yeah, no one has done this better. Honestly, the color is really good. So honestly, the thing is that even though I have a whole ecosystem, as you can see, my watch, I have headphones of Apple as well. It's not AirPods, it's Beats, but still. And I have a MacBook, which is quite, to be honest, easy to go with because you have like password integrated in every ecosystem. And here's another part you must have been waiting for, which is, to be honest, it can be stayed over here as well. If you want to take a selfie, you can put it like this. And if you have to take it as a camera recorder, you can use it like this as well. And if you like to use it from the outside, there you go. Yeah, since it hasn't been started yet, we can, continue with the video. I will actually post another video. If you like me to comment in the video below, and you can like tell me if you want me to make a separate video of how I am doing after a while using this phone. Am I getting along? Do let me know. And there's the whole unboxing. I've done 6 or 7 times folding already. Do let me know how much times I've done this, but to be honest, I'm loving this. Okay then, take care guys, and yeah, your feedback would be amazing. Do let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, take care guys. Bye bye.